Hi guys, we're back again at Claypole level crossing in Nottinghamshire with AB Trains and Jamie. Oh, guess who? Flipping tractor's coming. Doesn't bang anymore. Right, the time now is 08:48 on Saturday, the 25th of March 2016, and this is for our slightly delayed 08:47 1 Delta I4 version train service from London King's Cross to Leeds, and our 08:51 1 Yankee 14 version train service from Berwick upon Tweed to London King's Cross. Green over there. Yeah, might be from Berwick to London King's Cross. Focus camera. Oh, I hear something. We've got H2220 to 91116 to London King's Cross, and oh, here's the next one, 91131. 91131 to 82225 to Leeds, and up they go. Let's go to the next video.